Hey, here are my 5 things that you need to know about purchasing a house in 2021. So, a lot of my clients are asking me, what do you need on your credit score um, in order to purchase a home? The first thing you need is a 640 credit score. Like I tell all of my clients, this is the bare minimum. Um, the next thing you're going to need is a work history. How long have you been employed? Most loan officers need you to have some type of employment for at least 24 months or at least 2 years of a tax return. All right. Next one, third one. A is the debt to income ratio. What is your debt to income ratio? You need to actually get this lowered because the more debt that you have, the less house you're going to be able to purchase. All right. Um, Fourth point that I'm going to be making here. Hey, how much money do you need to save? I recommend at least $3,500 and more. You're probably going to need a little bit more than that, but these are just the bare minimum. Quick information. And last one is, please, whatever you do not get an eviction on your credit report, on your rental history. Do not, do not, do not. I know some people who are behind in their rental. They think, hey, if they get put out, they'll be able to get a house, or if they get behind, no, you will not be able to get a house. So again, this is just the 5 tips on what you need before purchasing a house in 2021.